All right, back again, Luke here, and today I am sitting at Tokyo Station, and I'm getting ready to ride the Shinkansen. Figured I'd share some of that with you guys. These are the Japanese bullet trains that go about, I don't know, well over 350 miles an hour. Really amazing. But I'm going on a little bit of a trip here, so get some more view of the front. I'm using my cell phone, so it's not going to be the best view, but at least you can get a good idea. This is the train conductor. Got a little flag that he uses. Wave the trains through, or wave the trains when they come up. Kind of got a little ritual going on here. As you can see, there's a few people standing around, the maintenance. Yeah, the women in pink down there, those are the cleaning staff. There's like I don't know, about 15, 20 of them that get on the train after the train stops. They run on there, do a quick cleaning job, and then jump off it. It's pretty amazing when you see it in action. Figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a look at something you probably, haven't seen before, unless you come to Japan. Here comes the train I'm going to ride here. These things are almost shaped like a dolphin. There's another one of the cleaning staff. Door is open. People come out. With these Shinkansens too, you can smoke on them. I got myself smoking card because I've recently started smoking again, just due to stress. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take off out of here. But just want to give you guys a little bit of an idea what it looks like around here. They got smoking on the platforms. So that's all for me for right now. Like always, I'll put up another video here soon. So thanks for watching.